Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm going to be installing a tethered gas cap on my 2012 Mercedes-Benz C300. Thanks for joining me. So I had a little message come up about my gas cap on the dashboard. Also the check engine light came on, so I went back to check on that, and the gas cap is no longer there. So the tether had broken, and I was just actually hanging it on the fuel door when I would refuel the car. There's a nice spot to just hang the fuel cap so it doesn't, bang against the paint or whatever. But the gas cap was missing, and so I do have to replace the gas cap, and it is a tethered gas cap, so I am going to show you how to replace that. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is open the fuel door. You can see that the fuel cap is missing. I picked this one up at an auto parts store. Mercedes-Benz sells them for $40 for a fuel cap, or gas cap, or whatever you want to call it. This was $20, and I mean, it's a freaking gas cap. It's not rocket science. I'm not going to spend $40 on a part that I can get for $20. So, first thing I need to do is just put the gas cap on. And there it clicked. And then this gets tethered to here. You can see there's a little pin here, and maybe you can't. Let me go ahead and bring this in a little closer. You can see that little plastic pin on the door, and that's where the old tether was. So you just need to pop this off. Some people, I get this new one out of the way. Some people use a pliers. Some people use a screwdriver. Some people just use the tether and just pull on it and give it a nice tug and pop that off. So what I'm going to do is, through the magic of video editing, I'm going to remove this with no problem. Yeah, I'm actually going to use pliers for this. And there we go, there's a little pin. So I'm just going to take the old tether piece off of here, because the new gas cap did not come with a little plastic pin. So, get rid of the old tether. Put this up on here. And push that in till it clicks. There we go. Alright, and that is done, and that's how you install a tethered gas cap. And there you go. Now it will hang on the car. You can put it on the fuel door, which is what you're supposed to do, is set it here so you don't forget to put it back on. And then this will hopefully clear the check engine light as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.